everyone, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. This is actually going to be part 2 of the other one that I probably would have gotten up before this one. I did plan in my horizontal for this week and that's how it turned out, but I want to do the hourly in case this one just simply does not work for me, because the week before that did not. I just wasn't into it, so I had to recreate that spread almost with the monster coat, and it turned out so beautiful. I love it. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just set up my hourly as well in case that one doesn't work. Otherwise I'll just have both. But I'm gonna pull those out, put them to the side. And so yeah, and I was just like, let me just do it and film it, and then in case if I don't like the other one or something happens, and you know, I just have it, because I didn't film my hourly with that other monster coat one, and afterwards I was like, oh, I should have, because I really did enjoy it, and it was the first time using it in my hourly. So now I've been kind of looking to see if maybe she has other ones that I could buy for December, but then I'm like, no, I don't want to, because I already have enough kits for December. I have leftover ones even for this year, and so I'm like, I shouldn't, because it's just gonna keep adding to my pile, and it's one of those things where you're like, I wish I could return them. Anyways, we are planning Monday the 11th through Sunday the 17th for the month of November. She does include in hers like this thin and thick washi, but I think because her kid, she has that decorative behind it, I'm gonna keep it that way, just with this, because it looks nice, and I couldn't remember if it does go all the way through, and it does fit perfectly. I'm just gonna cut this off just a little bit right here, just like that. That looks cute. What was I saying? I do like that, because then it kind of avoids having to put washi down, strips, you know, all that stuff. But I am going to put this thicker washi down here. That's looking nice. I like that. I know with her kit we get, I think I kind of need to spread this stuff out for me, because I'm kind of like, okay, what else do I have and what do I not have? I'm going to use this thin one for marking out my work week. And I know, I don't think I mentioned it in my other video either, Planner Kate definitely did come out with a new release reformatting her 2025 kit. So I went ahead and I ordered one kit ahead of time with what I thought possibly, and I kind of want to do like a mock-up and see what I am gonna like and not like about it, and to kind of get an idea what to order, because I don't want to order all that for the first month for every single kit, and let's say I only use like 3 sheets or something. So I figured I'll spend a little bit right now and figure that out, and then go back and order my January kits. So those might be a little, well, I've been doing good about ordering my stuff ahead of time. Recording wise, we'll just leave it at that. But so that will mark my work days, and I'm just gonna put those in right now. And then I did pull these from the Monster Co as well, and I am going to put those in there because I like to add it. It just adds a little bit more like washi tape in my mind, and I think I pulled one too many. Last video I didn't pull enough, and this video I pulled one too many. Okay, so because I do have this one from Planner Kate and I do like it, I am actually gonna put this, I don't know if I want the green or the orange to block out my work day. I don't have any appointments, so I just like to do this because it indicates, like, for me, my work day here has ended, instead of drawing like a big arrow down or something along those lines. And if I didn't have this thin washi, then I would just leave it as is, because I wouldn't have it. And I don't think, like, it just happened that Planner Kate and HanCan had similar kits or similar color schemes, but I know that won't always happen. Anyways, next thing I want to do over here is my sidebar. And so don't know if, I'm not a really big fan of these that she has, and I already used all mine. So I have the sampler book here with all of Planner Kate's samples that she sends, or her freebies, not samples. And I know I should have some type of washi, or so I could use this one. So I like to keep these for those reasons, because it's like you never know, and she gives them for free. So I do only keep the ones that I absolutely will be using. I don't keep every single one, that's for sure, because I feel like it's a little too much for me to keep every single one when I don't use them all. Let's see, which one do I want to use on my sidebar over here? I'm liking this one, but I also like that one. I feel like this will go better with that than this. Maybe this one. All right, let's try it out. Oh yeah, okay. Normally, I would have more washi tape available. It's not part of this kit, but I'm not going to use it again. Let's be honest. It's just going to stay there and that's it. So we might as well use that. Okay. I need one for my to-dos for the week, this one, because I want to be able to see what I write in there. And sometimes I feel like those can just blend in a little too much. So I don't want to not be able to see something, because that will defeat the purpose of using my planner. And then I will add, oh, I always forget that she does have headers. I'll do this week. Okay, that looks nice. I wonder if I think I can pull this one out without ripping my page. I don't know if this one I'll be able to use it again, because it's all wrinkled up, but that's okay. And use this right here. Okay. But I don't really like that one. I like the other washi. I don't know what my daughters are arguing with the TV, I guess. 2-year-olds. They think they run the world. Anyone else have a 2-year-old? Or if you guys did have kids and when they were younger, do that. All right, I'm going to put to do down here instead. Okay. I like that. There we go. I don't think she has anything that says dinners. She has one that says meal plan, but I don't know if I want to do that. Let's see. I did pick up her extra scripts because I just wanted to try them. Okay, so we're going to go with meal plan, even though we're not really meal planning, but I like to use that to lay out what I want to cook for the week. Dinner ideas, like I'll ask the kids probably this weekend. Oh, I can't text my stepson. What they want, so I'll just wait and see. And then I try to incorporate like their favorite meals or something. This week, not last week. I'm talking in past tense because this is a future video. But in the current week that we're in, they wanted spaghetti for dinner, so I made them spaghetti. Okay, my desk is a mess, but this is what planning is, right? It's not neat and organized. So okay, I'm liking this. I am liking this. I definitely love HanCanPlan sticker kits. It's just, I wish if she could add more washi tape like what Planner Kate does, and add more of those quarter boxes as well. Well, no. What am I talking about? She does. I think before in one of her kits that I grabbed, maybe it was an old one. She didn't, and that's why I was like, oh, it doesn't work out too great for me. Oh, and the ombre boxes, right? Honestly, I guess if you can just copy Planner Kate style, then I will be happy because I'm used to that. Okay, that is in. That is done. Let's see what else I want to mark down. How do I want to mark my work days or my to-dos for work? Because I don't have a lot of options for that. Maybe what I'll do next time is just grab her these and her full boxes. So that's what I really like about hers, and try to match it with Planner Kate. So we'll start with these half-quarter boxer ones, because like I've said, for work I don't need a ton, and then I'll have to use these ombre ones, and hopefully they work out great for me this week and don't confuse me. And by confuse, I don't mean like I just feel like what I write on there is just not gonna pop out to me as clear, but we'll see. It's just me being more picky, honestly, at this point. So she has 4. And so this is where I would be like, okay, I need one more, but she has the full boxes. We'll do this one. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 would be right here. That will actually work because I think I can use that for, but this one's going to be a tiny bit bigger. Okay, that's fine. It's just Friday anyways. I'm just looking around to see if I'm missing anything that I could grab. But right now, I don't think so. Oh, this might have been what she wanted to. Okay. Anyways, so Monday, I need to mark my sister's birthday. I'll put that right here. And I pulled out some birthday ones for her as well from the Monster Co. Oh, from the Monster Co. Ooh, I like that. I like that. And because I did change it, now I can zoom in and it doesn't blur out. It was driving me crazy. Next thing, I have no class on Tuesday, so I want to mark that. I think I'm gonna do this one on Tuesday at 6 o'clock. We have no school, or no class, not no school. Should I use this no school? It's technically no school, not payday. I was trying to mark down something. I'm gonna use this little pencil. There we go. So no school that day. However, I'm gonna put this one and this one because I have classes at 6 on Wednesday, but my daughter also has her religious ed classes on Wednesdays at 6. But this one, her godparents have to go with her, so I want to mark that down. And then I know I had another school one right here, this one, like that. And so I will put 6 p.m. meeting with godparents, and then 6 to 9:50. And so this is a like virtual class one, so I just have to log in at 6. We attend class. He is very teacher that will call on you to make sure you're paying attention. So I can't really do much, like do laundry or something, because if I'm not paying attention, he could just call me and say, well, what do you think about that? And then I'm gonna be like, I don't know. So it's not an easy class to just be like, whatever. Friday, Melissa has dressed down, so I do want to mark that. I am gonna try to use most of these. Did she change her stuff? Because I feel like I didn't have a lot of this stuff before, because I know she was changing it for, and I forgot to mention that too, that she said, so I order stuff from Planner Kate. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I order stuff from Planner Kate for her 2025 lineup and just kind of see what I like or don't like, so that way I know what to order next year. Well, HanCanPlan also redid some of her sheets. I don't know if all of them or not. So I was going to order kits also from her. One kit with every sheet that I think I could possibly use or want. So that way I could do another like mock-up kind of, and then see what I would want to get in the future. So I have them. Oh, this one I think is perfect for my baby's first birthday. And that's on Sunday. That right here. That's so beautiful. Okay, so I pulled stickers for him as well too. They're down here. This like first cake one. First, like for cake, what is that called that they do? Cake, smash cake or something like that. I can't remember. Anyways, due to clean will be, oh, they're not cut all the way through. I'm struggling here. We'll do a simple one, and this to clean is always on a Tuesday because I like to take my trash out for the week, and this is the one I'm going to use for this week because it just sets the mode. Just thinking about it now, it's making me mad, and I have to clean here at my house actually too. So I want to make a little list of things that I want to get done. I just need 3, honestly, like that. Ooh. And up here, I forgot to put in this thin washi like I normally do from all these washings that I have up there. I want to do that just to kind of close it out so it doesn't look too open, I feel like. I don't know. It just does me good to know that I did that. Oh, that's looking cute. That's looking cute. Does she have a weekend banner? Oh, I already put it down. Oh my god. Trash day is on Wednesday. Hear my son talking. I think he woke up. Wash and fold on top of no, I'm not even going to do that to myself because I'm already going to be cleaning. I am going to do this one on Friday after work. That way I can kind of, it goes on to the weekend, so we're not that. And then I had this one. Okay, that's so cute. Look at this. But I know I'm going to do another load somewhere in between. I'm just trying to be realistic here now. Grocery shopping will be done on Sunday. And I will put this one more down here because, like I said, it will be after we drop him off because he gets picked up. No, we pick him up this Sunday before this spread. Yeah. Sorry, like I said, it's hard because it's like I'm recording this in future, but I'm also talking back when past tense. So let's see, because we need to mark my paydays. I'm gonna use these ones that are in here. My paydays are on Thursdays. My husband gets paid on Fridays, but he gets, I've said it before, he gets paper checks. So he can't, by the time he gets out of work, he can't deposit his check until Saturday morning. So bills due. I don't know if I want to do this one or not. I wish I had like a thinner one, but maybe I can use this appointment label one. And I'm gonna do this on Saturday like that. Put bills due, and then I know I had one for this one. Budget right here. And I'm gonna try something different, and I'm gonna put these down here because I kind of want to pay the rest of our bills for the month of November off because we're getting close to Christmas, right? And so I think that's my thing that I want to do. Okay. Well, I like her morning routine, evening routine. That's kind of nice. Family time. Won't put those in because I don't really mark that stuff, but I know we got Happy Meal coming in next week. He already did my clean, or too clean. I should have done clean house. I'm gonna switch it out for that one. Clean house because I'm actually cleaning my house. HanCanPlan release, self-care, no school, tidy up. Tidy up is one of my habits. So we'll do that. Do another laundry day. I could do Monday. Should I? Might as well because I have it. I'm gonna forget about it. I know that. So we'll do Monday as another laundry day. And I know I had another laundry day. This one right here. So cute. Oh, sorry. My camera is in my way. There we go. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry, this video is getting to be super long. I don't think I need anything else from there. I'm trying to think what else I have. So for work, it is trash day on Tuesday. So I'm going to mark that because we forget because it's every other week. So I'm just going to mark that. And I know that's for work because I don't have 2 trash days in 1 week. Not gonna, oh, we're forgetting about early release. I have to mark that because I got to know the kids come home early to come home early. Because when I look at my planner that day, that's how last week or this week, that's what it did. I was like, oh, I gotta go. Wednesday is also payroll is due. So I'm gonna do one of these. Sounds like if my daughter got my son out of the crib, but I know she didn't because ain't no way she could have pulled him out of the crib, but it sounds like he's in the living room. Maybe I just need to stop filming and go check on my kids. I hear them and they're having a good time, which is scary. All right, I'm gonna do weekly reconciliation on Friday here for work because I like to reconcile my bank accounts and all that for work just to make sure we're still good. No school. I did pull this school one because I should have put it up there. And then I'll write below it over here 6 to 9:15. There we go. Class, well, the first class did take up to 9:50 pretty much. I think we were done around 9:30. This week's class we ended around 8:30, but because we had a group project, so we were meeting, and I hate group projects, especially on online classes, because I'm like, we all have busy schedules and that's why we do those. But I guess we gotta deal with it, right? Just got 4 more weeks after this one. Anyways, I think that is it. I feel like I'm missing something. I really do feel like I'm missing something. Let's see. Oh, that's what it is. I'm like, what am I missing? I forgot to put a spot down for my homework. That I will do with one of these. And I'm gonna put that up here because I don't know right now what the week or what homework I will have for that week. It will after Wednesday when classes are due, or when classes are. I believe my Tuesday class, there's nothing more other than what this is. So it's kind of like a free week in a way, but I do need to look ahead because I know there's something about a paper. And so I just got to make sure that I'm not missing something. I'm just moving things out of my way so I can add these back in here. This is my horizontal layout. My 2-year-old is coming. I hear her opening the door. All right, well, I'm set with my hourly if this one fails me. But I'm pretty sure I will like it. I do like it. It's very pretty, but we'll see. I've been debating now if maybe I should switch something to keep more of this for work and like just like those appointment things, right? And then turn this into my school and family. But I like having it all together because then I'm gonna have to keep going back and forth. And I don't like that. So we'll see. If I enjoyed this, we'll stick to this hour or this horizontal because I do like it. But if not, we'll go back to our hourly. Anyways, this is a long video now. I'll try my best to edit some things out that don't need to be in there, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing more Plan With Me's, and make sure to hit those notification bell buttons so you guys get notified every time I post a video. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.